Hi, my name is Lee Granger. I'm the founder of Radium Technologies and the developer of Living Cookbook. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how Living Cookbook calculates and displays nutrition information. Let's start by taking a look at how recipe nutrition data is displayed in Living Cookbook. You can see that nutrition information is displayed in the format you're used to seeing on food product packaging. This includes calories, the amount of each nutrient, and the percent daily values. The nutrition display can be customized in a number of different ways. The format here is just basic nutrition. Let's try a more detailed nutrition view for our recipe. Let's select the detailed nutrition mode. The detailed view displays a lot more information, such as vitamins and minerals. And if we want to see even more detail, we can show all nutrients for the recipe. Living Cookbook can calculate more than 150 nutrient values plus Weight Watchers points. As you can see, there is as much detail here as you could possibly need. But if the views I demonstrated aren't exactly what you want, you can customize the nutrition display. Let's say we wanted to add Weight Watchers points to the basic nutrition view. Let's insert the Weight Watchers points, referred to as My Points in Living Cookbook, at the bottom here. There are the Weight Watchers points. No other recipe management software can display custom nutrition views like this. Let's talk about the percent daily values for a minute. The percentages shown here are for a 2,000 calorie diet. This matches what you see on product packaging. But what if you want to see the percentages for a 2,500 calorie diet? Living Cookbook lets you customize the RDA percentage calculations. Let's change this to a 2,500 calorie diet. Note that you could also choose preset values for children, pregnant women, or start from scratch and enter your own custom values. The percentages have changed to reflect a 2,500 calorie diet. Up to this point, we've only talked about how nutrition can be displayed, so let's talk a bit about how it's calculated. Living Cookbook has ingredient nutrition data for every ingredient in the USDA Nutrient database. Let's take a look at one of those ingredients. Here we see the nutrition information for 1 cup of olive oil. Living Cookbook also knows the nutrition data for other measures such as a bottle, fluid ounce, teaspoon, tablespoon, etc. If I click on one of these measures, the nutrition data will update to reflect the selected measure. The nutrition data has been updated to show the value for 1 fluid ounce of olive oil instead of 1 cup. Living Cookbook has nutrition information for over 9,500 ingredients, so as long as Living Cookbook can match your recipe ingredients with ingredients in its database, the software can do all of the recipe nutrition calculations for you. Let's see how that works. Let's go back to the recipe view and create a new recipe. Let's create an omelet recipe. First, I'll enter the recipe name and the number of servings. Now I'll enter the recipe ingredients. The green link confidence indicator shows that Living Cookbook recognizes the ingredient and can automatically calculate the nutrition for the ingredient. Let's add the remaining ingredients. Now let's click on the Nutrition tab. You can see that the recipe nutrition is being updated automatically as we add new recipe ingredients. But perhaps your recipe comes from a cookbook or magazine that includes nutrition data. If you want to use that nutrition data instead of the calculated values, you can change the recipe's nutrition mode to manual and type the values yourself. A really useful feature when entering nutrition data manually is the ability to enter the values as RDA percentages. For example, let's say the recipe nutrition from your cookbook displays the vitamin C value as 6% instead of 3 milligrams. Living Cookbook lets you enter the value as 6% and it will calculate the amount automatically. In this brief video, we have only covered a few of Living Cookbook's capabilities. I encourage you to view some of the other videos to get a sense of how powerful and easy to use Living Cookbook really is.